guys, I am Angie Perry with Ladies Behind the Gun, and I've got these two ladies with me, Ashley and Kimberly, and we've got Macavity Arms, MA2, 22 caliber air rifles for a certain reason. That's because we're going down to Florida. You guys know why I go to Florida. The only reason why I go to Florida. Otherwise, I don't want to be down there. It's too hot and there's too many people. But there's also too many iguanas, so we get to go down there and help take care of that problem. And they're going to find out it's a lot of fun taking care of their problems. So these ladies, they both hunt. This is the dog handler, Ashley, that I coon hunt with.
I'm back!
And Kimberly, she actually got in contact with me last year. She wanted to go on the coon hunt, but we already had all the spots filled, so she wasn't able to join us. But she did join us for the Ladies Behind the Gun event. But we're out here today. Iguanas can be kind of tough only because, well, they can be tough creatures. You got to hit them in a certain spot or you're not going to kill them. But they're never at a certain distance. You can walk up on one at 3, 5, 10, 30, 40 yards, and you got to know where to place your shot. So we've got the RX target system targets down here. It's 4 banks. Set them up at 10, 20, 30, and 40 yards. And we're going to practice shooting targets at different distances to see, just to kind of get accustomed to it, get accustomed to the gun, know how it operates, because there's almost nothing worse than going on a hunt and I can't find the safety. Where's the bolt? All that. So they'll get accustomed to the gun, the scope, different equipment. We got JSB pellets. We got polymags, which have like a little polymer tip on it that just crushes things. The Hades are my absolute favorite. And then we have the regular 18-13s. They're all great hunting pellets. Every one of them, whatever you shoot with it, if you shoot it in the right spot, is dead, dead, dead. So thank you, JSB. Thank you, Macavity. We're going to get on with the testing.
Have you shot air guns before?
Not really.
What do you think? This is your first air gun?
Yeah, I like it. It's pretty on target.
We're gonna move you out of the way, and we're gonna get Ashley on the gun and get her some practice. Have you shot air guns before?
No, the only thing kind of similar is this pellet gun.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Like break barrels?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is your first time on this one too. What did you think about it?
I thought it was pretty sweet. I mean, you could definitely go through a lot of rounds very quickly.
I mean, this is their first time shooting, and they're nailing the target. So, I mean, I think that says a lot for the gun.
Very easy to get used to.
So now that you guys shot it from the table, we are not going to have a table out here for the iguanas, so we need to get real.
Ready, set, go. Guys, they got out here, did some practicing with the RX target system. I think they did pretty dang good. Of course, it's easy off the table, but when you get into the real life, this is how it's actually going to be. Now, there will be trees, possibly, that we can lean up on if we need to, but I think you guys did pretty good. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I think we're ready.
So we're going to get a little bit more practice in before the sun goes down, but that's going to be it for tonight. I am Angie Perry with, you can say
Ashley Dangerfield
and Kim Lawhon. All right, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all don't just have a good day. Have an awesome one. See ya.